Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we are making a classic daiquiri. Fun fact, did you know that they're not always in a hurricane glass and they're not super sweet? Classic daiquiri today. All right, for this cocktail we are going to need fresh lime juice, simple syrup, and your favorite brand of white rum. Now this is going to be a shaken cocktail, so you're going to want to have your shaker tins, you're going to have your jigger for accurate measurement, and then you're going to need your hawthorn and your mesh strainer for this guy. And then I do have a lime wheel that is going to be our garnish for our coupe glass at the very, very tail end. As always, ingredient list is going to be down below, so that way you can build the cocktail with me. Right, so we're going to get started here with 0.75 ounces of simple syrup, 1 full ounce of fresh squeezed lime juice, and then 2 full ounces of your favorite brand of white rum. Ooh, keep coming. I'm running out of rum. Why is the rum gone? Sorry, I'm channeling my inner Jack Sparrow. As always, we are going to fill our shaker tin up to the top with ice. And then we are going to shake until the shaker tin is ice cold in our hand. Roughly about 15 to 20 seconds is when it should be very, very cold in your hand, in case you were curious about a time frame. All right, remember, we used fresh lime juice for this guy, so we've got our hawthorn strainer on here and our mesh strainer. And this is going to go into a coupe glass. Beautiful. And then for our final touch, we're going to do a beautiful lime wheel. And there she is, your classic daiquiri. Oh, sorry. I forgot what we were doing today. My cold medicine's kicking in. All right, if you enjoy seeing my beautiful face, even if I am all kinds of wacky on cold medicine, and you enjoy the cocktails, make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Oh, goodness gracious, I'm on the struggle bus today. Like, comment, and subscribe. I want to see if you guys are making the cocktails with me. Until the next pour. Cheers.